Guys, what's up? So today we are going to be unboxing the Boxycharm Premium for the month of July. This month's theme is fantasy, but in this month's premium box, it is a collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills. So let's jump right into it. Okay, can we just talk about how cute the inside of this month's box is? So adorable. You have the Boxycharm Premium collaboration with Norvina, Anastasia Beverly Hills. And the little butterflies, I just love it. Okay, so for the first product in this month's box, this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Set Setting Spray. You guys, this smells so good. It's like a mixture of vanilla and coconut, and it really leaves the skin looking super dewy. This is also a perfect setting spray for those of you who have dry skin. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Set Setting Spray retails for $26. So the next product in this month's Boxycharm box is this Anastasia Beverly Hills dual-ended shadow brush. One end is more of a kind of tapered, fluffy blender, and then the other end is kind of for packing on those shadows. And this is perfect for on-the-go use. So I cannot wait to pack this in my purse for on-the-go touch-ups. The Anastasia Beverly Hills dual-ended shadow brush retails for $16. Next in this month's box is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, and this brow gel works amazingly. I absolutely love it. I have used it before, and it really keeps the brows in place, you guys. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel retails for $22. Next, we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Hydrating Oil, and you guys, this oil smells so good. It is a lightweight blend of Mediterranean botanical extracts that deliver antioxidants to really nourish the skin, and this complexion boosting facial oil really leaves you radiant, glowing. It smooths out fine lines and overall just really improves the texture and tone of your skin. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Hydrating Oil retails for $45. Next, we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Highlighter, and this is in the shade Peach Fizz. And this is kind of a loose version of their ABH Glow Kits. This is very finely milled, and you can either pack it on or apply a little bit less for that subtle highlight. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Highlighter retails for $25. Last but not least, in this month's Boxycharm Premium box, we have the ABH Norvina Volume 1 palette. You guys, this palette is absolutely stunning. I have it on my eyes today, and just look at that. Oh my gosh. All of these shades are absolutely gorgeous. They're extremely pigmented. I mean, just look at my eyes right now. They are popping. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Volume 1 palette retails for $60. Well, that is it, you guys, for this month's Boxycharm Premium unboxing. Boxycharm Premium is only $35 a month. You get 6 full-size products, and everything in the box retails for over $200. So you're getting a steal with the Boxycharm Premium. It's such a great way to find out about new brands or products that you might not have known about before. Such a great way to get porch presents and grow your collection. And such a great way to just have it all in 2021. From skincare, hair care, and new makeup. Also, Charmers get exclusive offers to purchase from top beauty brands at discount prices. So what are you waiting for, you guys? Jump on it. Boxycharm Premium. Thank you so much to Boxycharm for sending me this box. I absolutely love all of the products. Cannot wait to play with them more. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very soon. Bye, you guys.